was a loser, and I have a private jet with my face painted on the front of it. Look.
Maybe you should get back on it and leave Nathan Miller alone because he's more like us than you are.
Sophia, hi.
Oh, God, Wesley.
Wait, you're Wesley?
Hey, Cassie. Your parents were just saying you have a new boyfriend.
Boyfriend's a little premature, though I did pay for dinner.
Ted and I are very happy.
Are we?
Even if he'll never replace you.
So, Sophia, hi. I'm Ted, Robin's friend. What do you say we give these two old flames a chance to catch up alone, and maybe you and I can go get a drink?
Are you hitting on me?
Dude.
Ted, let's go.
What coach would you say you're most like?
Well, everybody always refers to me as John Gruden.
He's the greatest of all time.
I don't pay tens of dollars a year to watch a well-coached team.
This is your patient, and this is his mole.
Sweet cheese, it's huge!
And it's all yours. Go crazy.
You know what you're doing, right?
Of course, I can do this with my eyes closed. And I plan to.
You might want to turn away. Done.
And there you have it. No more mole.
Why are you clapping? We don't even know what happened.
Tell me again why you joined one of these chicks and beer. Whoa. Oh, that's gonna be a rude awakening. Oh, you okay?